Good morning, friends. Today I am going to teach you Monkey Trouble. The writer of Monkey Trouble is Franco Amuri. My dear friends, you all are aware about monkey. And this story deals with the pet behavior of pet animals, especially monkey. The author's grandfather was fond of keeping unusual pets, so he bought a monkey tutu from a street entertainer for 10 rupees. I have already told you this story deals with the behavior of pet animals, especially monkey. And here, a man was fond of keeping unusual pets. Here, unusual word is given. You know, my dear friends, why? Because generally we don't keep pet animals like monkey because it is a wild animal. We generally keep dog, cow, but most of us don't like to keep monkey because it is a naughty animal and wild animal also. So here poet has used unusual. Now I think it is clear to you all. So author's grandfather bought a monkey and the monkey name was Tutu. He bought it from a street entertainer for 10 rupees. The monkey was quite mischievous. He was naughty. At first, grandmother objected to having a monkey in the house as he already had enough pets like goat, white mice, and a small tortoise. But when grandfather told her that it was a girl monkey, she agreed. Grandfather had always wanted a little girl in the house as she believed they are less troublesome than boys. First, grandmother did not like, but when she heard that this little monkey is a girl, so she agreed and she allowed him to bring that monkey in the house because she believed that girls are less troublesome than boys. Tutu was a pretty girl monkey. She was very pretty. She had mischievous eyes and pearly white teeth which often frightened Aunt Ruby. She had a frightening teeth. One day Aunt Ruby took all by surprise by announcing that as approved she had decided to marry Roque Fernandez, the author of his aunt's choice, because Roque brought chocolates and cashew nuts for him. One day the author overheard Roque and Aunt Ruby talking of going to bazaar to buy an engaging ring. In his family, marriage ceremony was going to be held, so they decided to go to market to buy jewelry. The author also wanted to with them but refused. He followed them secretly to the market. Tutu, who had been also watching everything, followed them. Tutu also followed them. As Rocky spotted the author near the jewelry shop, he called him to join them, but Aunt Ruby wasn't pleased. Meanwhile, Tutu also slipped into the shop without being noticed by anyone. They didn't allow Tutu to enter the shop, but anyhow, they were, means you can say, meanwhile they were marketing, and in between Tutu entered the shop and nobody saw her entering the shop. Tutu grabbed a pearl necklace they were looking at and bore it and ran outside the shop without listening anyone. Tutu took a necklace and she beard and ran away from the shop without listening anyone. She didn't listen anyone, she directly ran away. Thank you, my dear friends. Rest of part I will describe tomorrow. I hope you would have got my point. Stay home, be safe, take care of yourself. Thank you very much.